Hi guys, it's Kris. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today's going to be a short one after putting you through 30 some odd minutes on my last video. I just have one unboxing from Ulta. I'm not doing a lot of ordering right now. So, I already opened the box. Oh gosh. Okay, here's the box. Did I do that right? I don't know. And here's what it looks like. Okay. Now we have this stuff. And let's see. Okay. Oh, good. This is the foundation I was trying to... Oh gosh, what on earth? That's better. That I was trying to tell y'all about that I had used and was expired. It's Loreal Infallible. This is like one of the best foundations. But I reordered it. So we have that. Okay, and then we have... Oh, I gotta be careful with that one. Okay, and they had a good deal. It was marked way down. These are some of the best mascaras on the market. This is from Essence. These are the Lash Princess. You guys have to try them if you haven't. Let me see. There's 4 different colors. For me, the blue one. Let me see what is the best. Let me see. Mine. I think I found 2 of them, but they were dried out, so I had to reorder. Okay, I think the difference is, this is the False Lash Effect Mascara, waterproof. This is my favorite. Yeah, but there's also Sculpted Volume, Curl and Volume, and another False Lash Effect. Okay, well that's nice. Okay, then I have something I'm gonna try. I know nothing about it. It's one of those creams that you take your makeup off with. You slap it on, rub it around, and then just wipe it off. I have one here at the house. Crud. But I saw this and decided that it'd be a good one to try out. I can't even remember why. But, oh. Okay, it's got the little scraper thing with it. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. It says, Clean It Zero Ceramide Cleansing Balm Firming. That's what it was. It said firming on there, and that caught my attention. Let's see what we have. It's gonna be good. Can't smell it through. I'll let y'all know. I'll give you an update, see how it works. Normally, I think also too, this has got, they're calling it, it's the Vanilla Company, but I think this, I don't know if there's a scent at all. I hope not, but we'll see. Okay, then I have, okay, okay, this is from the Cream Shop, which I don't buy a lot of their stuff, but this is from Hello Kitty. There's 80 premium exfoliating cotton pads, you know, and this is it. This is a glass bottle, so it can be reused. I just love this. I think this is adorable. Okay, this was on sale too. Everything was marked down at Ulta. Online. A lot of it said online only. So, okay, then we have, now I have to be careful. Let's see. This is the thing. I think I've got it covered properly. This is a polite society. Santa knows when you're being a witch. With another letter. Yeah, can't say that. Yeah, normally I would have bypassed this, but let's do something. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, let me... And again, this is what it looks like on the outside. Has anybody heard of Polite Society? I never have. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I think I can show you the whole, yeah. This is the palette. I thought I'd give them a try. See how they are. I did notice, like, this, looking at this one right here, it looks like a little bit of stuff is missing from it. But it doesn't look like it's been used. It just looks like it didn't stamp properly. Okay, let's put that back. Okay, and I've got one left. Oh, sorry, it's hot in here, and I put my hair down, and I don't know why I did that. Okay, this is a I Need a Nude palette by Natasha to Nona. Oh, guys, I think I might have this one. Okay, let's see. Oh, no. This is like really, I hope you can see it. It's a really cool kind of like 3D effect. Oh, it's very pretty. Not normally my colors, but it's very, very pretty. So, alright guys, that is everything. I hope you had having a great day, and if you enjoy videos like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And for all you people that are the loyal subscribers, I thank you for being patient and just for being there. So, wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care, have some fun, and stay safe. You check your surroundings, you guys know. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Take care.